This video is to show you what are relative and absolute addresses in Excel and how to use them. Here is a grocery example. I have a column for tomato and another for potato. To find out the total number of items in each order, I'll create a column called item count. I'll make a formula in the column and add tomatoes and potatoes for the order, and then I can fill it down for each row. If you take a look at each cell, it turns out that these formulas have different addresses for each row. We call them relative addresses. They are relative because I'm adding together two cells. One is two cells to the left, and the other is one cell to the left. If I fill it down, the answer cell will always sum up two cells. One is two cells to the left, and the other one is one cell to the left. It is important to be aware of this behavior because it's not always what we want. Now, suppose the price of tomato is $1 and the price of potato is 80 cents. And I want to know the total for each order. The formula would be the number of potatoes or tomatoes times the price plus the number of potatoes times the price. The first row looks good. However, when I fill it down, something went wrong. If we look at the formula, we can see relative addresses were assumed for the prices. In these formulas, the price reference for tomato is always 3 cells to the right, and the price reference for potato is always 1 cell down from there. Obviously, this is not what we want. We want the price of potato is always G2 and price of potato is always G3. In other words, we need absolute address, and that is achieved by a dollar sign in front of both column and row in the address. The shortcut to add the dollar sign is F4. Again, it is F4. So by pressing F4, I can add dollar signs to G2. Same thing for G3. Then, if I fill down again, the price addresses won't change anymore. So this is so-called absolute address.